episode 1 of the Forester build. My 99 Subaru Forester. Do a little walk around. Is fully 07 STI swap. Full drivetrain, even down to the dash and the interior. Had a blown engine for about. GoPro died like a dummy. Alright, so as you can't see, hang on, that's a little better. A little bit of a mess currently. I'll be taking this engine out and putting it in either my spare Forester or the Brat. My Brat, not my dad's Brat, downstairs, just as a placeholder. Let's see. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow that off. So, because my house is an RV, I don't have a garage. Pups and I are posted in my parents' driveway because it's free. So for now, this is the garage space that I'll be sharing with my mom's WRX, and then my dad's Brat will be in here. So when I need to work on my Forester, I'll pull the Brat out of the left side. If this GoPro dies again, it's a bad GoPro. I think we had a faulty battery. We'll see. 85%. So anyways, here's my mom's WRX. Here is sandblasting powder coating, which will come in handy soon. I'm about to move those around and reorganize a little bit better. And then let's do the parts room. Here's some of the stuff just unboxed. Be going on the car. Here we go. Round 3. I threw that GoPro in the trash. Kept the batteries. I'm using a GoPro Max now. I don't know if it's shooting in 360 or if it's working. Back to the parts room. If this dies, I'm gonna have to chop my hand off, I think. That's the last thing. Alright, a bit cluttered because I have my bike in here that I need to fix and sell, but let's see, let me get some light. Aziz. Here's my engine so far. The Stage 4 Extreme with Stage 5 heads. Let's see, pin mains, billet crank, plus 2mm tri-beam rods, 100mm pistons. I will be test fitting all of this soon. Bunch of TSS fab stuff. My new steering rack. Ton of parts over here that'll be coming out. Parts for sale, anybody? Actually, I think what's about to happen, down there, that box that says Garrett, that's my turbo. I think that I'm gonna mess with the compressor housing right now. So, there's one of my cat boys. And my puppies. Hi, babies. How's my babies? Hi. Hi, Beans. Hi, Beans. How's my pups? How's my pups? No, you guys gotta stay here. You gotta stay. I'll be right back. Good dogs. So, I guess what's coming next? For next episode, I should have a bunch of this done, but I'm gonna rearrange sandblasting and powder coating so it's out of the way. So I have more room. Let's put my phone down. More room on this left half to work on my car and move around when my dad pulls his brat out for me. Once I got all that crap cleared, I'm gonna pull the engine and start shaving. Start test fitting some parts. We got some 3D printing stuff coming up too. Until next time.
Last night